Okay, so last year I saw about 700 species of birds. This year, before the year ends, I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 species of e-bird more.
Wow! Let's clap for her. Hashtag show off.
Hey, hashtag I know right.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, jokes aside, let's start our adventure and meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible big friends. First up, South America.
Let's go.
So everyone, look, we are taking a drive down to the port and then a boat ride down the Tango River. Now you might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Now everyone, look around you. So you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet right here in the Peruvian Amazon. Welcome to Chucho, the Coral Clinic, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feast on game. And did you know this clinic is one of the largest of its kind in the world?
Well, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Aanya and our started performance. Now, of course, like them, you can show only things which allow them to eat unripe fruits. But eating unripe fruits isn't good for these birds because it has toxins in them. So by eating plain, it neutralizes all the toxins out. Amazing, right, Sabrina?
That's right, which means no upset tummies. But looks like them with Prairie enjoying their salty feast. Let's give them a big hand, everyone! paradise enough birds?
Of course not. Remember 1,000.
See what I mean? Crazy, right? Now, since Wani wants to see more birds, let's welcome some special friends of the crowd. But in the meantime, I need everyone to remain seated, okay? Try to remain seated throughout the show as this bird shows we will be having some birds that will be flying around, alright? Thank you very much. Alright, so let's invite the birds to join us on stage. Let them go. There's the right with me. This is Higgins, our green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaws are actually one of the largest in the macaw family. And Higgins here is about 10 years old.
Well, here with me I have Katie, the sulphur-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoos like Katie, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Sulphur is yellow in color. You can also see her crest. It's yellow, right? That is how these birds get their name from. Sulphur-crested cockatoo.
So parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. That means they learn to take advantage of the tree cavities and tree hollows to build their nests, just like this one.
Well, they use barks, dry leaves, and even twigs as nesting materials. So once they have these materials, they will then place into the nest. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beak to make the hole bigger. So let's have these two birds to demonstrate this, shall we? Let's go! Look at that. Katie, let's put this inside. Right here.
So everyone, if you want to see what's happening from the inside, take a look at the screen.
Hey, look! Katie! See right here. What about Katie? Hello, Katie, that's you. Very cute, a giant Katie right on the screen. Hey,
Katie, one swing.
oh,
Okay, Higgins, you gotta fly back to your cage as well. Let's do this one. Yes, you got this. Let's give up for Higgins and Katie as well as the wonderful traders.
a rooster? Did you hear that? A rooster in the park? But where? There? Oh! Sabrina, look! Rooster right up on the screen!
Hey, no, that's not the rooster they were looking for.
Huh?
Because the rooster is right here.
Sabrina, that is an Amazon parrot, not a rooster.
I knew you would not believe me. So just stand right there and check this out, okay? Let's get a microphone first. Can you please show everyone, especially Wani, how do you do the rooster? Now you know what I mean by the rooster?
Oh, yes. Now I know what it means.
Everyone with Quincy and that is Amigo. These birds are masters of mimicry. And before the birds carry to make any other sounds, Quincy has a message for all of you to hear, okay? What do you want to tell them, Quincy? Did you catch that? Quincy said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, since some of this is a little confused, we shall hear this again, okay? Quincy, let's do this again. There you go. What a polite bird. Okay, so we're going to carry on with the animal sound. Okay, so one more sound. Can you show them how to do the cat? Very fierce cat. Okay, let's do a high-tech sound. Okay, Quincy, remember how to do the telephone. Can we get Quincy here, big hand, ladies and gentlemen?
So when parents imitate sounds and calls, they are just doing what their families do in the wild. When you mimic human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them.
Let's try to in our case, Quincy and Amigos family will be the Mandai style.
Hello, Mandai Stars. Okay, so now let's say our yellow-named Amazon parrot mimic some sound, shall we? Now would you like to say hello? introduce himself, shall we? Can you tell everyone what's your name?
Amigo!
Didn't say that. His name is okay. Let's say that again, shall we? Now, what's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo. So Amigo is his name. Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? Wow, did you hear that? He's asking how are you? So how are all of you doing this afternoon? Good? Yes, great to hear that. Okay, so Amigo will be singing a very special song. So by any chance, any one of you celebrating your birthday today, just raise up your hand if it's your birthday, anyone. Wow, yes, a few hands up. And you know what? This special song goes to those of you who are celebrating your birthday today, okay? Amigo, let's sing for them, shall we? Let's sing! Very good birthday, so amigo. Thank you, amigo. Happy birthday to those of you who are celebrating your birthday, and thank you for celebrating right here in Bird Paradise. Well, Sabrina, I must say that was really amazing.
Absolutely, but hold on everyone. I do have to share that Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo in fact is 1 in a million. Now if you were to buy yourself a pet parrot, sometimes we just end up with a bird just like Big John.
Hey, hi! Hi, Big John. Okay, no. Okay, yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Did you hear how loud that was? That is why everyone please do click twice or even 100 times before you get yourself your own pet parrot, okay? So thank you very much, Quincy and Amigo of Amazon Parrots.
Well, everyone, each year hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold to the pet trade. Now, as a result, these two species, they are now critically endangered. They can live up to 50 years in captivity if you think they make good pets, but they don't.
That's right, so everyone, instead of buying yourself a pet parrot, why not just come on back to Bird Paradise, see all of these beautiful birds instead, right?
That is right.
Okay, so Aanya, what's next?
I would like to share with all of you more about hornbills. Now, everyone, hornbills, they have a very unique nesting behavior in the wild. They love to nest on tree cavities, just like their nest right up on that tree. So here in Bird Paradise, you don't have to leave your seats to look at their nesting behavior. Now, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, the Great Barred Hornbill. Oh, beautiful fly. Good afternoon, Vicky. Now, Great Barred Hornbill, they are one of the largest species of hornbill that you can find in Southeast Asia. Now, in Borneo, which happens to be one of the places where they can be found, some tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over an area or a village, it means they will be blessed with good luck. So in a very short while, Vicky will be heading to the nest, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Ah, look at that. Let's see whether she likes the mascot. Oh, in she goes. However, everyone, female hornbill like Vicky, they are fussy about their accommodation. Now, it has to be spacious and have chimneys so that they can escape if they want to. Then in the wild, the male will then bring her mud and she will mix with mashed fruits. And guess what? Even her own droppings to make a strong seal. Just like that. Everyone, let's welcome her mate, shall we? Let's welcome Sunny, another great barred hornbill.
So what Sunny is doing right now, Sunny is getting all those for Vicky. The male will get the female and the chicks.
Do you see the bird flying out?
5 months, alright? Okay, Sunny, she's right there. Good. So this is where the feeling happens, but not to worry, you can't see this stuff together. Your eyes on the screen. So once again, you've got the female hornbill inspecting the tree cavity only if it's suitable for her, then she will hop right in. There you go. And we have the male feeding the female. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared among nearly all 62 species of hornbills. Okay, Sonia, you've done a wonderful job as well. Bye! Let's give it up for hornbills, ladies and gentlemen.
Suddenly everyone, hornbills, they are now on the trend. The critically endangered helmeted hornbill are now being hunted for its cast called the red ivory. So what happens to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds? I am here because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to protect these critically endangered helmeted hornbill. Well, as a birder, I love seeing birds in the wild and even in wildlife parks where you get the best care possible. Speaking of best care, hi everyone, I'm Aanya from Mandai Bird Paradise. Now my team and I, we work hard to keep our birds active, enriched and engaged. Now in a very short while, we will be welcoming some beautiful birds. It looks like they are ready for everyone to go. So right there, let's welcome our beautiful corneas. Now that right there is an enrichment device known as a monkey fist. It is hooked, tied into knots, and inside of those knots we have hidden some treats for the birds to find. This helps them to express their natural behavior known as foraging. Now corneas that can be found in South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Over 800,000 birds are sold into the pet trade every single year. There are now more corneas in people's homes than there are in the wild. So please do not keep them as pets. Now a little bit more about corneas. There are over 40 different species of them, and right here we have 2 of them. It looks like they have done a wonderful job. Let's get up our corneas, everyone.
Thank you very much, Hazira, for giving us some insights about enrichment for their resident corneas.
Sabrina,
Yes.
we've been to South America. We came to Asia to see beautiful birds.
Yeah.
I think it only makes sense if we head to Africa.
Let's go! Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. Now, before we invite the next bird on stage, right, this bird will flying very low above some of the heads, so I need everyone's full cooperation to remain seated during this segment. Okay, once again, everyone remain seated. I do see a lot of kids and parents, teachers, ensure the kids are seated. Okay? Alright, the bird is flying very low above the heads. Please do not reach out to touch the bird. And if there's self-mistakes, please bring them down as well. Okay? Once again, everyone remain seated. Try not to leave the amphitheater yet. Let's just wait for this lady right over here to get into our way. This is for your own safety and for the safety of our bird as well. Okay? Once again, everyone remain seated. This lady right here as well. Let's just wait for everyone to settle down. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sabrina. Now we're coming to see a very special bird that can be found in ponds, lagoons, and even lakes in Africa and even in Saudi Arabia. I'm talking about our piglet pelican rose.
Alright, once again, please remain seated. There you go. So these birds in the wild, they actually cooperate with other birds using their massive bills and throat pouches. Alright, Rose will be taking flight, so everyone remain seated.
Behind.
Seated now. Right, we don't want the birds to be distracted, alright? I hope everyone cooperates with us. Thank you very much. Beautiful. lightweight, okay? They can weigh up to 4 to 6 kilograms.
Look at that beautiful smile. Everyone let's give those of you that bring it around the applause. Sabrina,
Yes.
before we carry on, should we push these two baby thumbs all the way to the back?
Okay.
Let's do this. To the back, right over here. Perfect. Well, everyone, but they are everywhere. Social, solitary, loving, and fiercely protective of the young, smart, and even agile. Well, they are one of the strongest creatures that you can find on this planet. Now that is the reason why I love traveling across continents to see them. But Sabrina, what I love is to see birds from all over the world, right here and right now.
Well, Lani, I think the wish is about to come true.
Oh, okay, wait.
Wow. Flamingo. Wow. Wow. Can you see pink color flamingo?
Everyone, I hope you had an enjoyable time meeting these beautiful wings of the world. Thank you so much for joining us.
See the bird? You see that bird? Right?
Happy birthday! Goodbye!
You see how big is the bird? Is it big?
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, right now we will be having an exclusive photography session with our right here. Let's try and